Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and I welcome you to today's video. I am in my bedroom and it's chaos. Everything is up, nothing is down. Everything is up and it's not looking good, so join me as I clean and tidy up my bedroom. I woke up and I didn't do anything in the bedroom. I just woke up. Right now, what time is it? I can't remember, but it's after 2. It's after 2, yes. I'm going to prepare my bed and prepare the side of the single bed also. And we are also going to fold in the laundry. Guys, sometimes when I tell you life happens, it really happens that you are caught up in some things and are not able to do those other things. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'm looking down. This person here is just crawling under the tripod. Really now? Hey. So guys, let me show you how it is looking. It's not like ke bolela maka ka mo go tlhakatlhakane, like o ka re be ke sego for matšatši, and then o ka re be go dula hostel, o ka re ke di hostel tša Thembile le di bona tšela tša Gomora ana ka mo he. So let me turn the camera and show you. Starting from the single bed, mo go so laban go bile so bjo sa lodiwe lo tša go alola šitile mola. I don't even know where the comforter is. Where is it? I can say, but it is like that. Washing lavana under the towel is clean. Inyaka go phuthiwa and mind you le ona o skono ke tlhatswitse maabane, but I didn't do laundry video. Ke lebetse tripod before ke ya go tlhatswa mola ke tlhatswang gona ka kwa metseng ya batho. So mo isale ke no tsoga ka tsamaya a ka alola ke pisiela ke be ke apere on the previous videos shila ke re la bona ke a di video ka di piece. So o yena o he's being a lot today. Yeah, the bedroom is looking like this. So let's just tidy it up. Re phuthele washing, guys.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll
this laundry there is clean, so the things that are gathering there down there, I'm going to put them in the basket. They are dirty already, so, and this basket here is going to join this one also. I had, this is a 2 weeks laundry, guys, so it's just a lot today. Let's fold in the laundry and get tidying up.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Full already for the next week, and I just did laundry yesterday. This world is never end. It's never gonna be a resting world. We keep moving. We work every day, so let's put this away.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. 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 Oh, we can fly again. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume.
Here guys, I am done folding the laundry, so I'm going to put them in their sections in the wardrobe. Then I'm good to go. The bed is made. Even this one is made. Never mind that school bag is going. As for my son's clothes for the weekend. So yeah, chaos is out. Thank you for watching, and please like this video, please share this video, don't skip the ads please. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.